Here we are. In the middle of Walmart. I'm going to wake up Megan now. She's not going to be real happy, but you can see what happens when I try to wake her up. Megan. 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 Look at me. Look at me. Megan. Come on, you have to get up. Come on, get up. Megan, get up.
Oh my God.
This is a video, so watch what you say. Come on, get up. We have to go. You missed all the goodies. Feel good? You're napped? That was about an hour. I really was afraid you were going to swing at me. I'll turn you to the side so you can get out with that.
I'm not getting out.
Yes, you are. We're leaving.
Come on.
No, get out. Megan.
I am. Can you let me get up?
Look at me. Some lady suggested I take a picture of you.
Well, video's better. Alright, bad arm, solo.
Can't get out, hon.
Watch me.
You want me to turn you around? No.
I can crawl out.
I don't think so. But watch that book there. Or are you going to climb up the...
Alright, they'll fucking kill me.
I'm like, oh my God, 6-year-olds are going to do that now.
And there she is. I hope I got that. Now we have to tell them there's a spill.
They're not going to be too happy about that. Clean up in aisle 9.
I don't think it's aisle 9. Are you done? Oh, saw your belly. Huh? Don't.